the vitals. Let's get in here. Check out the mileage. 170, 734. It's barely broken in, just getting there. We've got awesome oil pressure. Great voltage. Just a little fuel. We're going to keep the video short because, like I said, the cooling system is non-existent on this. Give her a couple revs. Hear how she sounds. As you can hear, it's almost unbearably loud, but revs great. Great running engine. Give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks. Our telephone number is 207-457-5500.